Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video issue, I'm getting this fault here on the screen, the turbo supercharger. Now this is a V8 diesel. It can happen. Yeah, you'll get restricted performance on the screen like this one here. You'll lose power, very sluggish. It may be intermittent in your case, it may be constantly permanent. Now, before you do anything, if you ask me, before you start replacing turbos and whatnot, I'd check the lines, do a smoke test, check to see if there's any leak within these pipings here, check to see if there's any leak in the intercooler. If not, then it will be the second turbo on the right, which is common for it and they are known for it. It'll be a case of you're replacing the complete turbo. I would personally put a refurb turbo on there rather than a second hand. You don't know what's happened to theirs as well. But realistically, in this vehicle, what came up was this one here. It was this piping that it was popping out. It was loose, so we've inserted another one, kind of popped it on. It does the job now. It's a lot better. But I would highly recommend checking all these, make sure there's no leak. Like I said, if it is that, then yeah, the turbo is a bit of a ball ache to get to, but I guess there'll be no option. If there's play in the turbo, then obviously that gives it away. If there is smoke, then obviously that gives it away. But in this case, luckily for this gentleman, it was just that, which has been sorted, and now the full power's back and all good.